Hello YouTubers, this is just going to be a quick video. We are going to be printing Xanders Gearbot. Process of slicing it right now. We're sitting here, actually I'm on lunch and Jason and I are watching their Mailbag Monday 4-parter. Really enjoying them separating into the different parts. I think it was a good idea. So here we are now. You see what we got. I'm doing this twice the normal size. I'm going to print on the prusa and then send it off to them. It's a cool little robot. Everybody should check it out on Thingiverse. Just look up Fun King 3D. And you should also check out their YouTube channel if you're not already subscribed. Now let's take a look at this. This is another example of why I really need to get simplified 3D. This is Xanders Gearbot. And it's upside down, so you're not supposed to need a bunch of supports, but when you hit even just at the bed on the prusa, it's automatically going to put in all these supports you don't need at the shoulders and stuff. Alright, at some point I'm going to have to bite the bullet, spend $150. I just don't have it at the moment, but I know it's coming. Alright, looking good though. Got to get back to work. So, I think it's going to take like 7 hours or so anyhow. See what it looks like when I get home from work. Alright, back home from work. Let's check on the Gearbot. This is Xanders Gearbot. It's double the normal size. It's definitely a solid little robot. %, a third of the way done. Alright, I got a layer shift. So I will probably end up finishing this thing now and sanding it up and painting it, because that's just going to irk me. There's no way I'm restarting it though. We're like 70% in over 5 hours. So other than that, it's looking pretty good. Yep, we're definitely not stopping it or reprinting it. We're going to let it ride till the feet fall off. Go! Alright, the Gearbot is done. Took it almost to the max on the prusa. It's 2 times the size. Let's see how this looks like support string. Yeah, I'm going to sand it and paint it up. That layer shift we had on there. Looks good though. Look at that, it's not falling over. Even with all that extra weight there, Glenn. I think it looks pretty good, Xander. I think it'd be cool if you modeled some shoes or something for it, though. But that's up to you. It's cool just the way it is. So I'm going to get this all cleaned up, painted up, finish this video up, and post it up. Just a short, quick little one. Printing out Xanders Gearbot on Thingiverse. It's Xander over Glenn and Xander at mk3. Everyone should check out their YouTube channel and check them out on Thingiverse. Alright, so there's Xanders Gearbot. All primed up. Filler primer. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to prime this up. And I'm going to sand it a little bit. Then I'm going to send it off. And then they can decide to do this whatever color they want. So, there it is. Get all sanded up, and I'll probably take one more quick video before I pack it up. Like I said, this is just a short one. Just want to print out Xanders Gearbot off of Thingiverse. Remember, check out Fun Kings on Thingiverse and YouTube. Alright, so I got the Gearbot all base coated up. Now you knew I wasn't going to just let that sit with a primer coat and sand it. I'm going to paint it. So here it is, base coated up, and I don't know, what colors am I going to do? I'm sure you can guess, but we shall see in a few. This little Gearbot. Maybe look a little more robotic with the coloring. Alright, and here is, almost dropped the phone, sorry. Here's the Gearbot, all roboted-y looking again. That's even a word. Anyhow, just waiting for that to dry up there in the gold, and I'm going to clear coat the whole thing again. That's a cool little model. Good job on that, Xander. Alright, here we go. All done up. Finished. Come out pretty good. Xanders Gearbot. You can find this on Thingiverse. Make sure you check out Fun King 3D on Thingiverse and on YouTube. Good model, Xander. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope everyone downloads it and prints it out for themselves. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless.